is something that I am so passionate about, and today I am here with Rachel and Jody, who are helping the Utah community one mental health crisis kit at a time. Both of you, welcome to the show.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We are so excited to talk to you because this topic is so important. Rachel, tell us about where you work and what you do.
So I work at Huntsman Mental Health Institute as a crisis worker, where I get the opportunity to create mental health care plans for our guests that come through the receiving center. Since we reopened in October, I realized that a lot of our guests who come to us often don't have the basic needs, like basic hygiene items, clothing, or even socks. And through collaboration with other community partners like Fight Against Domestic Violence, I realized this wasn't unique to us. So I wanted to create a kit where we could at least provide someone with the basic necessities.
That is so amazing. The work you're doing is astounding. Why is there such a need for mental health?
Yeah, there's really such a need, especially as the weather gets colder and the holidays come. Instances of domestic violence and mental health crisis actually rise. It's 1 in 3 Utah women will experience domestic violence and 1 in 4 men. So there really is such a need for these kits.
It's a really scary statistic, but one that we should know about.
Yeah.
Jody, tell us how you're involved with all of this.
So I'm here representing the Utah Behavioral Health Professionals Network. We are a group of individuals and corporations who collaborate with continued education, with connection, and we really wanted to reach out and see what we could do to help for this holiday season. We found Fight Against Domestic Violence and realized that there are women and children who are in 12 shelters that are usually full throughout Utah, who have abandoned everything that they have most likely to find safety. And these kids we wanted to provide Christmas for. And then that led us to Rachel and another need, and we jumped on board with that. So we're just pulling it all together because we believe that service is the key.
So you are just changing lives, and you brought one of these mental health crisis kits with you. Tell me really fast a couple of things that you have in these kits.
Yeah, so really fast, the cool thing about a kit is it's really customizable to the guest. We can add or take things away. So if someone needs basic items like socks or underwear, we can add it to the kit.
Right.
But the cool thing is it has a deodorant, a mini hairbrush, toothpaste, toothbrush, and then some cards of hope and where to get help as well.
Amazing. And not only that, you guys have an event coming up really fast. Tell me about that.
Yes, we do. So our event is this Friday at Sandy City Hall at 11:30. It goes from 11:30 to 3:30, and we're asking the community to just come together and help us assemble these kits at the event.
Perfect. And who does this benefit?
This is benefiting everyone. All of these women who are in crisis, homeless, people struggling with mental health. We're partnering up with another nonprofit here in Salt Lake to provide the basic necessities and Christmas.
And Christmas, making someone's Christmas a little more magical. I don't say this lightly. The work you guys are doing is really changing lives. You guys are, in my eyes, you guys are superheroes. Both of you, thank you so much for being here.
Thank you so much for having us.